That's over the north lane double. Thank you, sir.
Wow, what a save. Holy cow. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Crestwood RC Raceway for race 3 of 4 of the 2025 season, and we're heading out for the mains. We've just ran our first 2 qualifiers, and I was kind of all over the place because there's a brand new layout here. I'll show you a quick clip of my first time running a full lap of the new layout with the E-Buggy. All right, practice lap on the new layout of Crestwood RC Raceway. The straightaway is huge. There is no jump on the straightaway. Little bowl corner. Double.
All right, everybody's checked up. That's nice to see.
A big jump, which you could try and jump on the corner,
once I get everybody behind the loop, we'll get her underway here.
And a little on-road kink here. Single into a little double cliff. Step down. And then a big triple right before the straightaway corner. Whoa! Still running the same car, same setups that I've been running all season long. So on the E-Buggy, which will probably be the first race out, although I don't know yet because they haven't posted the mains, I qualified in E-Buggy in 9th overall out of 20. So pretty much smack dab in the middle. Actually, I might be 10th. I'm not sure where that's going to sort me. I hope I'm near the bottom of the A instead of top of the B, and I assume we're doing double main. So I hopefully am in the A for both my classes starting out. You will find out in a second because that's first race up. I will record one of my double mains in E-Buggy and put up the stats in the end. As for setup, like I said, no changes. Still running the newest highest end Hobbywing system in this Pro G3 with the 1900 kV motor and the Gens Ace Redline batteries, and pretty much kept everything consistent throughout the whole season. I'm still running the old Savox servo that I've put in this car since it was brand new, and kind of nursing through on tire. So I'm on a J Concepts Reflex, which this is the exact same tire that I ran here the last race in Series 2, and this new layout has been pretty good for tire wear. I've raced 2 quals on this, and I'm not noticing any significant tire wear. As long as the track has been blown off and watered within 3 runs of me going out, these tires are still working. So fingers crossed that happens for the mains. Let's get out there and try and podium. All right, here we go, starting in A1-MAIN with E-Buggy. I am starting in 10th because I did not get a clean qualifier run in my 2 qualifiers. Every one I had a marshal or a mistake, which knocked me way down on pace. But if I had a clean run, I would be in like that top 5 kind of range. So we'll see how we can do. And starting at the very back of a grid in the main, I imagine there's going to be 2 bumps behind me too. So there might be 12 buggies in this race, and we'll see what happens. I got 2 chances to try and move up from 10th.
10 minutes, guys. And we're ready to go here. Marshall's ready. Okay, guys, get ready. Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. On the tone. All right, away they go. Keep her clean, guys. There's a lot of you. Keep her clean. Try your best. Oh, they're not too bad. Still, it's like the Don Valley Parkway going along that back stretch right now. Just gotta find that diamond lane and go down the side. Wow. I'm not even calling nothing out yet. We got so many. We got 5 battling for first. We got 1 that needs a marshal. Oh wow, what a S-show back there. We got 5 in the midsection, 5 in the back section. Cars everywhere.
Right, so far so good. I moved up probably half the grid so far.
1 minute down, 9 minutes to go. I'm not even going to call it. I still got 4 of them. Oh, tight Dave Henry. I can see him in the number 2. It looks like Anthony B's in his comfortable spot in that number 1 in the purple car. Then we got Dave trying to keep the dogs at bay in the number 2 with the... Oh, no, never mind. That's Frank Monica. Pardon me. Dave Henry's got a very similar paint job, but it's Frank in the number 2. Then we got Steeler from the 400 RC Race compound putting the pressure on Frank. Gets a little bobbly on that triple, but he's still going. I got a pipe rider. That's Adriano riding the pipe down the front stretch in the number 4 slot, Taylor. So Right now, 1:45 in, 8:15 to go. I'll give you the full running order. We got Anthony, Frank, Steeler, Adriano, Taylor, Henry, John, Kevin Nickel, Curtis, Carolyn, Riley, and Skyler. All right, now Anthony B is the purple guy. He is starting to come into some traffic soon, but you're still pretty good there for a little while, Anthony. But keep in mind, guys, Anthony B from the 400, he's the purple car with the white tires, clear wing going over the triple. So he's going to start to get a little bit of lap traffic, and when he does, just give him a little bit of space. We got Frank Monica doing his thing. He's in the number 2. He just went over the loop, checking off his 5th lap. That's number 2. He's the multicolored yellow tires. Same thing for him if he comes up on you. He's looking pretty good for his spacing right now, so not too worried about him. Then we got Steeler right behind him, where they got one lapper in between the two of them. Thank you, yellow car, whoever that was. Good job. So Steeler's in the 3 in the white and red on the south side of the track. Let's see what him and Frank do with the triple. Frank got it, but a little kicker. Steeler did a nicer job of that triple. I got Riley Carter walking off, so that's not good. He was in the 9 spot and must have some issues.
Whoa,
3
way off
down
line.
drivers, 6:40 to go. Anthony B, 6 seconds ahead of Frank. Steeler, very close, hot on the heels of Frank in the number 3. Then we got Adriano, Dave Henry. Dave dropped down a little bit there. John Kennedy in the number 6. Taylor, Kevin, Curtis, Riley, Carolyn, and Skyler.
Thank you.
All right, we got Anthony on the back strip, south side of the track. Coming into the second lane triple. Let's see how he makes out. Oh, it's just about perfect landing there, Anthony.
So dry at the end of the straight.
Checked off his 8th lap with a 31.2. He's holding the fastest lap right now with a 29.5. 4:15 down, 5:45 to go. Frank, let's get a line on Frank Monica. He's on the back stretch going over the little single to double in the south side of the track. That's your number 2. Quite a bit of space between him and Anthony. Anthony, yeah, he's over one whole straight stretch away. That's your number 2. Then you have Steeler in the number 3. And he's quite a ways back. So 1, 2, 3 are all pretty far apart right now. Again, we still got, they're halfway through the race now. 5 minutes down, 5 minutes to go. We'll see what happens here when these guys tighten things up. We got Anthony on the back section, the south side. Nice, comfortable lead. And I'm seeing David Steele now in the number 2 spot. So I believe him and Frank must have had a collaboration with some lappers or something. I didn't see it. But now I've got... No, never mind. Wrong. I'm getting the bodies mixed up. Steelers and another guy are very similar. I still have Frank in the 2. Dave just checked off in the number 3 spot his 11th lap. Adriano now moved up to the 4. Dave Henry in the 5. John Kennedy 6. Taylor. Kevin Curtis, Carolyn, Skyler, and Riley. 6 minutes down, 4 minutes to go. Yeah, just so everybody's aware, before race number 4, which is Nitro Truggy, there will be another track splash before the Nitro Truggy main. It will not be long, so don't anybody hesitate. Still get your Nitro trucks ready. Because as soon as the watering's done and I get the okay, we'll be right back at it. I've got Anthony and a little bit of lap traffic down the straight stretch over the north lane double.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Whoever.
Wow, what a save. Holy cow.
See, Anthony's running a very clean race. He's on his 13th lap here right now. 3 minutes to go, drivers. 3 minutes. Anthony, Frank, Steeler. Dave Henry up to the 4, so he's starting to move a little bit here now. Adriano down to the 5. Kennedy in the 6. Taylor, Curtis, Kevin, Carolyn, Skyler, and Ryan.
I don't know if this pink car is ahead of me or not, so being cautious.
Closest on the track is Anthony and Frank in the number 1 and number 2 position. Oh, okay, he's back over. That was a little dangerous. All right, I got Anthony checking off his 15th lap. And then I got Frank just coming into the triple here. So everybody's pretty far apart. And Frank still holding in that number 2, but they are over 11 seconds apart. Then we got Steeler in the number 3. He should be coming along here momentarily. There's Steeler doing the double single and hitting the line. $150 to go, drivers. $150. Anthony, Frank, Steeler, Dave Henry, Adriano, Taylor, John, Curtis, Carolyn, Kevin, Skyler, and Riley. Oh, we need a marshal for Dave up in the north end of the track. I believe it's Dave. It's hard to tell. See, there's two that look almost identical.
Sorry!
Maybe it wasn't Dave. That looks like Dave right there. No, that wasn't Dave.
One minute left.
All right, you heard it.
Oh,
1
saw him
minute to go,
crashing and I
drivers.
tried to check up and it took me out too.
Everybody's pretty far apart here now. Our racing orders remaining the same. We got Anthony doing his thing, getting through the lap traffic. He's on the coming to the south side of the track in the purple car.
Whoa!
All right, Anthony, we're going to get one more lap. 20 seconds left on the clock, Anthony. All right, let's see who gets one more lap here. Frank Modica might get one more. Yep, Frank's going to get one more.
5, 4.
And that is it. Everybody else is done when they hit the line. All right, drivers, when you hit the loop in front of the booth, your race is done. First one done is Skyler Watt, Carolyn Wolf, Dave Henry. You guys are all done. All right, Dave, Carolyn, Anthony, Dave,
Whoa!
Kevin, Skyler. When you hit it in front, you are done. Adriano's done. We got 3 more cars. Oh, careful, there's 2. I just got Curtis.
All drivers are finished.
There we go.
The race is completed.
Chaotic
There
finish.
we go. Final running order. Anthony, very good job. Frank in the 2. Dave Henry skates himself up into the 3.
All right, where did I land? Where did I land?
Steeler in the number 4. Adriano.
Adriano 5.
Kennedy.
Oh, I fell down to 7th.
Kevin,
Okay,
Skyler, and
race
Mike.
number 4.
So I 10th to 7th.
Amen.
Anyway, we'll show the stats. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. AMAIN E-Buggy Racing, always fun, but you know, I never know who's ahead of me, who's behind me. I just sometimes I let people go that I shouldn't.